Struggling with API testing? Meet qAPI, a powerful codeless tool that simplifies everything from functional to performance tests with AI-generated test cases to speed things up. With qAPI, you can import APIs from anywhere, fast and easy. Once logged in, head to Playground. Click on New. Now click on Add or Import APIs. From there, you can import Swagger, Postman, or WSDL files. Once you've added your files, click on Continue. Choose the endpoints you need and add them to test. Click here to create manually. Here you can enter the name and get started. Select the API type. The third option is you can directly upload file. Choose the format. Browse the file. Choose the endpoints. And just click on Add to Test. Once all APIs are added, click on Send to test them initially if all the parameters are correct. In the response section, you'll see the HTTP status code, like 200 OK, indicating a successful request. You can also inspect the response body and headers for detailed data and metadata. Next, click on the AI bot. It will automatically generate test cases for your APIs. Select the test cases. In case you have duplicates, the application alerts you about it. Next, go to Test Suites. Select the ones you want to test further. And click on the first icon to execute as a functional test. Select the ideal variable environment and execute. The application will take you to a reports dashboard. Get a detailed breakdown of the functional test results. Next, move to the left section and click on Performance Reports. Here you get the response time of threads in both tabular and graphical formats. Get the flexibility you need by adjusting the timeframes. Now, let's look on how to create customized workflows. Click on the project you have created. Head over to the Workflows tab. Drag and drop the APIs, arrange them according to your requirements, connect them, and execute the workflow. If you haven't imported your collections on qAPI yet, do it now and start your seamless API testing journey today.